The student wants to emphasize the relative sizes of the two capitals' population. Okay, so please pay attention to this word relative size of the two capitals' populations. Okay, so line 1, Ulaanbaatar is the capital of Mongolia. So they mentioned the capital of Mongolia is the Ulaanbaatar, and the city's population is almost 1 million. Ulaanbaatar contains 31.98% of Mongolia's population, so that matches with our relative size. Hanoi is the capital of Vietnam. Okay, capital of Vietnam is Hanoi, and the city's population is almost like 8 million people, and Hanoi contains 8.1% of Vietnam's population. Alright, so we need to mention those relative size, such as 8.14% of Vietnam's population and 32%. So if you look at the answer choice, just looking at a glance, and it doesn't talk anything about this relative population, or the city's population relative to the population. Choice A didn't talk anything about that. Okay, I'm not seeing 8.14 or 32%, so you can ignore choice A. Choice B does talk about the 8.14 and 32%. So far, that's good. And they talk about the population itself, but then it fails to mention the capital. So it just says comparing Vietnam and Mongolia instead of comparing the capital's population. So we can eliminate choice B. Even though Hanoi, which is a capital of Vietnam, population, okay, it mentions the population here, and it's larger than Ulaanbaatar population. Ulaanbaatar accounts for more of its country's population. That's good, because not only we talk about the relative size of the population between two capitals, but also the Ulaanbaatar accounts for more of its country's population. Although it didn't talk about these numbers, it summarizes that Ulaanbaatar contains more people in the country than the people in Hanoi, in Vietnam. So this is good, accounts for more of its country's population. So C is a good choice, but just in case D is better, let's read D. The population of the capitals of Mongolia and Vietnam are, okay, they only talk about absolute population, but nothing about their relative sizes. So we can eliminate choice D. You gotta go with C here.